Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make garlic broccoli stir fry. This is a very delicious side dish that best goes with rice or with rotis. Broccoli has a lot of health benefits as it's rich in fiber, protein, calcium and magnesium. This dish is very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken one broccoli that weighs about 250 grams. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Now cut the florets free. Now we're done with the cutting, so let's get to start. I'm boiling 3 cups of water in a saucepan. To this add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then to this add the broccoli florets. Let this cook for 2 minutes in high flame. Mix it well in between and make sure all the sides of the broccoli are well cooked. Now after 2 minutes the broccoli is well done, so let's now remove it from the water. Heat a pan and to this add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and saute well for 1 minute. Then to this add the broccoli florets and saute well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Already we have cooked the broccoli in salt water, so be careful while adding salt. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Now our garlic broccoli stir fry is ready, so off the flame. Serve it nice and hot with some rice or chapati and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this garlic broccoli stir fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.